Good morning, day 152 or 3? I think 53. I am walking down to the water source near Campbell Shelter, about 2/10 of a mile. When I look out into the grass, it doesn't show on the camera, I don't think, but there's all these little reflective points. I think that's a bunch of spiders with their little shiny eyes reflecting the light of my headlamp. Boy, not sure I slept very well last night. I switched my quilt out yesterday from the 40-degree quilt to the 20-degree quilt, just in preparation for when we're going to have a cold evening. And I was too cold without the quilt on me and too hot with it on me. And even though I tried to regulate by only covering up parts of my body here and sticking my feet out there, just couldn't get very comfortable last night. So I didn't get a very good sleep, even though I laid in bed for close to 9.5, 10 hours. Anyway, we're gonna get some water. I've already had breakfast and packed up, and then start hiking. About 7:10, I've been hiking about 25 minutes, getting close to the peak of McAfee Knob, or McAfee Knob. I don't know how the locals call it.
Yep. You're at the edge.
This is McAfee Knob, and there's not much of a view this morning, but there are folks here enjoying the, I don't know, the risk of hanging out over the edge of a cliff that would kill you if the rock decided to break, but you know. Yeah, so I met this young lady today. Hey, what's your name?
Melinda Kreis, now,
Yeah.
formerly Gant.
And where are you from now?
I'm from York, Pennsylvania now,
Okay.
but
And
I'm formerly from South Carolina, Blythewood.
right. So what's our connection?
He's my professor from college
Yeah.
at University of South Carolina.
Right. And so what are you out here doing today?
Hiking with friends and my daughter, sunrise that is immersed in the clouds.
Was it just wow, look at that food. You got like a charcuterie board going on over there. So I'm gonna hike with you more often. Is it just a day trip up here?
It's just a day trip.
Nice. It's so cool to see you.
It was really
because I
fun,
remember
buddy.
you in the class. It's a
I
trip.
can't believe
each
that.
other?
He was my professor.
Yeah.
No way.
Mechanical engineering. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Get out of town. No kidding.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
There went one dog. There's another dog.
How you doing?
Very good. Well, this is some strange engineering. They decided to partially block off those steps. But this footbridge goes over to a parking lot that is like where all the day people go for their trip up McAfee Knob. But I just had to show this fine piece of engineering. Don't jump off. I don't see any trail magic, but I see a porta potty. I don't see any reason to stop in the parking lot. There's no trail magic, so start climbing this hill. So this is my lunch spot today, and didn't do a really great job resupplying the last place. My lunch today consists of, but this is going to be good. We got a protein bar and a small bag of crushed Fritos and a relatively large amount of dried fruit, which I should not eat all of. Looks kind of balanced.
I hope it's not that big one.
Oh dear. Engineering. There's some tomatoes. I bet they dropped out of a cow patty. That was great. Came out of the woods at the road and stuck my thumb out, and that dude brought us right up here to the Four Pines Hostel, where we're gonna spend the night, maybe two. So I started to put my stuff on this bed, and of course the only one around, the cat decided to come and say, no, you can't sleep here, this is my spot. Are you gonna be a pain tonight? Oh, I see. That's where your food is. I might find another spot. Showered, ate a frozen calzone, ran my clothes through the washer, and now they're being hung up to dry.